Hi there, students. The squeaky wheel gets the grease. Okay, this is a saying that says that the people who complain most loudly or most often are the people who get the most attention. You could also read it as the problems that are most noticeable are the ones that we do something about first. Okay, so I don't know, for example, my brother, um, whenever he doesn't like something about a company, he writes them a letter of complaint. And very often he gets something back, like a free gift or a discount or something like that. Well, the squeaky wheel gets the grease. Okay, so this is the wheel that you've got a wheel, and this wheel makes lots and lots of noise, so that's the one you put the grease on. Yeah, if it's very noisy. Yeah, the other one might have a big problem and really need it, but if it isn't making a noise, then you don't notice it so much, and therefore you don't pay attention to it. Yeah. He always complains until he gets what he wants. And usually he ends up getting what he wants. And as they say, the squeaky wheel gets the grease. Okay, so this is saying when things aren't right for you, speak up loudly. And you're much more likely to receive the attention which you want, which you're trying to get. Okay, so the squeaky wheel gets the grease. There's a lovely saying in Spanish as well, quien no llora no mama. If you don't, the baby that doesn't cry doesn't get its mother's milk. So imagine a mother who's got to feed her babies. The one she's going to feed first is the one that screams the loudest. And this is the exact same idea. Yep, so stick up for yourself, stick up for your rights is a good thing to do. Formality. This is fairly informal. I think I'd give it a 3.5 informality. Use it in an informal conversation, an informal writing, a semi-formal conversation, yes. A semi-formal writing, probably the very limit. And, well, the origin, it says what it says. It's a metaphor in itself. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. The squeaky wheel gets the grease.